how did you made the progress over the years?
Yes, the progress in quality particularly, because cables available in India at that time, whether by import or whether by anywhere, were very poor quality, and the consumers had to face very often replacements. Here, the local industry, when they grew, they always used to tell me that you have to maintain 80 kg load factor on the end pieces. And with the process and all this thing, it was impossible to maintain that thing. Sometimes you can get 80, sometimes you can get 90, but usually it will come out below 80. So we developed first time in India this casting process for that fine item. And casted inner cables took the load for 220 kg instead of 80 kg. And that was a big surprise for the auto industry that it can happen. And everybody grabbed me and they said, you have done a good job and all these things. So everybody started using that thing. So that was a first landmark for us. Then after some time they found that Indian cables were very sticky and all these things. And particularly Vespa, when it came in India, they were very free and all these things. So the Indians manufacturer had really something that what to do. And I told them, don't worry, give me some time and I will find out a way. And within 6 months, Ramsons developed a friction-free cable. And that gave a new life to the Indian consumers and the Indian automotive manufacturers also. They found it that now it is not sticky, everything is free. And they were confident that their vehicle is as good as imported or anybody else. So these two trumps made a really Ramson a big winner.
What do you think is required for the success of an Indian company?
Indian companies are not that poor anyway, what they used to be, but still they depend too much on the foreign collaborations and all these things. So unless they do their own research and they try to match their own something, it's their own philosophy that whether they just want to make money or whether they just want to establish for a long time and they want to capture the world market with their own efforts.